Hello guys and welcome back to God Did FX channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more Forex related content. Yes, content like trading tips, vlogs, analysis videos, just like I'm gonna do in this one. And I do give market insights too. When you see my Forex analysis video, it means that I'm considering that particular analysis for the whole week, and I mostly do videos like this one and post them on Sundays, such that Monday resumes while I have articled and explained my analysis for the whole new week. Just like you saw the one for last Sunday, it was a good gold analysis and it printed out to perfection. Of course, it offered about 1700 pips. Yeah, on gold it's really possible, and I'm telling you guys, those who didn't watch the video, or you really missed. Yeah, for sure, because gold moved massively, and if you are strict on that setup, you can witness that it never went in a single drawdown.
What should you expect is a certain retracement of this daily imbalance, this big imbalance that should be filled up. And so if you enter here, don't overhold, just simply get simple moves if you are to buy in this area. But first, wait for a reaction. Don't just execute, wait for
But before we make our analysis video, guys, I would like to share some insights about trading in particular. Yeah, of course, I know you need it. Of course, I know I'm not alone who faces such. You see, every successful trader has experienced setbacks, but you know the difference between you and him, or you and her. They always learn from their mistakes, adjust their strategies, and kept on moving forward. So how should one stay motivated and focused, as we all know there are challenges in the journey to profitability? So I think how one should stay motivated and focused in the face of diversity, for me, is about setting clear goals at least, or it's reminding yourself the trading plan always, and you may also put yourself into a positive environment. What I mean with this is whether that's a trading community, a mentor, or maybe a trading channel. So what's next? As we head into the new week, I want to encourage you to stay committed to your trading goals. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or losses, but instead learn from them and use them as an opportunity to grow and improve. So guys, let's dive into the analysis.
Alright guys, here we are again, and I'm here, and today with EURUSD. Why? Because I go through certain pairs, but I just within those pairs I just get for a suitable pair for the upcoming week, like the pair that has a high probability setup, so I have EURUSD, and I'll let you observe and apply your strategy to see what what's the next move. So hope you're done, and here we go. All right guys, so for EURUSD, first of all, we have this big imbalance. You can see from this low we had displacement to the upside until this peak retested to this order block. I'll show it to you, this particular order block, and price started consolidating for several months, and it induced this high, then it started dropping. From its dropping to the downside, we had these equal lows here, and it has taken them straight away, but we have this imbalance, a big FVG from the monthly time frame. So we have its equilibrium, we have its equilibrium here, and price so far hasn't retested to it, if you can observe closely, plus this low, guys, and you can see this sharp drop movement. But I would like to see price retesting to this equilibrium. Why? Because on the lower time frames, from this equilibrium point going lower, we still have more gaps, more imbalances. I'll show you. Let's drop to the weekly time frame. Of course, you can see this imbalance right here, though it was mitigated, but not its equilibrium right here. So, and with that displacement, we had a market structure shift right here, plus a breaker block, so we should anticipate for more drop. But the reason as to why I'm showing you this PDA rate is because we should expect for a certain reversal at the point, at around, after a retest at this, or a retest at the weekly imbalance. I'll mark it out, and this is our weekly imbalance plus the monthly imbalance. So we should expect in 2 weeks time, or next week, after next week. So for this upcoming week, we should expect for retracement mitigation within this zone around here. And but for sometimes EURUSD is tricky. I'll show you an example and explain it. You can see that it has taken this relatively equal loss right here, and for sometimes EURUSD won't retest at entry point. For sometimes I'll show you an experience I saw this last week at the right here from the 1H time frame. You can see for EURUSD we had our setup, and I'll print the screen. I'll show you the screenshot, and I already share my setups with my Telegram members. So guys, we had this order block. And I was patiently waiting for a retest at that zone, and our take profit would be around this low. This was the target, of course. But you see what happened? Because the reason was that price had played at this zone for a long time. You can see it was inducing. It induced 3 times, so it never wanted more power to retest at this level, because it had already took liquidity at these tips here. So it never wanted to go any more further to give SMC and traders entry here. So that's the reason. That's reason 1. Reason 2, we had this imbalance. This imbalance could have held price and rejected from retracing at the extreme order block. And reason 3, we had this breaker block. So for those members in my Telegram channel and didn't know the reason as to why we missed this trade, those are the reasons. Hope you're watching this video. So that's it. I think we should go back to our analysis. So guys, I was saying, you can see that we also have these laws that price has already induced or has already took liquidity from, and it has retested at the fair value gap of the monthly time frame. So, and what I was anticipating was to go more lower, to retest at least the higher point of the weekly FVG plus the equilibrium of the monthly FVG, and we get some reversals. Why do I expect reversals? We have this shift in market structure as you're seeing here, right here, and after we have a shift in market structure, we always expect for a reversal to of that retracement always offers entries at certain points. If you use OTE with your Fibonacci, you get points at around this level, entry points at around this level around these other blocks, FVGs, and so on. So that retracement is what I'm talking about. Okay, so for EURUSD, expect for a sell, first sell, then a reversal to this area, maybe induce this high and retest at this extreme fair value gap, and then drop lower to take this. So guys, that's it for today's weekly forecast. Remember to always trade responsibly and adjust your strategies according to the market condition. Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more forex analysis and forecast. God FX, I sign out.